National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Collin County in north-central Texas, southeastern Grayson County in north-central Texas, Fannin County in north-central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms is located from north of McKinney to near Whitewright, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Sherman, Bonham, Anna, Princeton, Celina, Farmersville, Van Alstyne, Howe, Leonard, Honey Grove, Whiteright, Gunter, Bells, Tom Bean, Savoy, Hector, Dodge City, Bailey, and Ravenna. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.